Hello. Well, welcome. This is your girl Maggie, and today we are in the fashion studio cutting a flared skirt. The first thing is to arrange your fabric like this, fold it into two, then take one side of the fabric and overlap it onto the other side to give a four-layer fabric uh, groundwork, because you're going to work with four pieces. Make sure that you have just two sides that are open and the other side is closed, like so, and arrange your fabric very well to make sure you don't have any fabric twisted inside, because it's going to mess up the pattern. Now you take your waist measurement, divide it by 4, because you're folding your fabric into 4. So if your waist round is like 32 inches divided by 4, that gives you 8. So what I normally do is I will take the measurement down by 8, and then I measure 8 on 3 different spots of the fabric, at the first at the side, at the middle, and at the end of the cone, and then I will trace it like this. So after that, I will measure to make sure that I actually have 8 inches. If it is not okay, nothing to worry about. Just do it again. Add half an inch more or 1 inch more, and then you repeat the process. So you mark the same inch on 3 sides of the fabric, and then you trace it. We measure again. If we don't have what we desire, then we do it again with another half an inch, but this time around we get it. Then you take from the waist pattern down to get your total length for the skirt. If the length, for example, is 10 inches, was 20 inches, sorry, you're going to take it down 20 on 3 sides of the fabric, at the start, at the middle, and at the end. And then you can already add your sewing allowance. So you might want to take like 21, and then you just trace it freehand like this. With this, you are sure of getting your circular pattern, and that's about it for the flare skirt measurement. Then you just cut, and that's our flare skirt. So this is a beautiful thing I like about flare skirt. They're very easy to cut. Now this particular design I'm doing a 2-step flare skirt. So I'm going to cut the shorter part of the flare skirt, which is basically the same thing but just short. So no need for me to do all the measurement again. I will just use the waist measurement I got before, because all of them start from the waist, and then I'm going to go now by half of my total length in front. So if my total length was 21, that's 20 plus 1 inch sewing allowance. I'm going to take this one 11, so 10 with 1 inch sewing allowance, and then mark it three spots of that measurement on the fabric, at the front, at the middle, and at the back, and then just cut. That's basically it for flare skirt. Very easy, no complication of all the hips, trying to get the hips, trying to get the lower waist. Flare skirts are always very simple. So that was about it for this tutorial of cutting the flare skirt. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me hear your thoughts in the comment section, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.